Hello everyone, welcome to Vyas Edification. In this session, we are going to discuss NCERT and exercise solutions and related to chapter number 3, current electricity of class 12th. Clear? So, my dear student, this is a very good chapter and definitely a very interesting chapter. We have current electricity. In this chapter, actually we discuss about some important topics like that what is relation between current and the drift velocity, how can resistance is vary with the temperature, clear, and the most important one here we will discuss about combinations of resistance in a series and the parallel combination. Here we also discuss about electric cell and electric cell in a series or the parallel combination. We also discuss about here Kirchhoff's law, Kirchhoff junction law, and we can say this is Kirchhoff's voltage law, clear. And in the last we always discuss about the electrical instrument like meter bridge, like potentiometer, clear to you. So this is again a very good and interesting chapter, my dear student, and we are going to solve all NCERT and exercise questions. And my dear students, and always believe in Vyas Edification. In Vyas Edification, we are providing you the solutions as well as the concept behind that questions. Clear? So concentrate on a screen. So dear student, now we are going to discuss question number 3.1, and in this question it is given to you, the storage battery of a car has an EMF of 12 volt. Find if the internal resistance of a battery is 0.4 ohm, what is maximum current that can be drawn from the battery. Clear? So let's suppose here, first I am drawing here a simple circuit diagram. So let's suppose I am taking this is a battery. Let's suppose this is battery, and value of potential difference, or we can say EMF of this battery is given to you 12 volt. This battery is having internal resistance and this value is given R equal to 0.4 ohm. Clear to everyone? And let's suppose this is connected with a external resistance, and we can say this external resistance we know this is equal to capital R. Let's suppose this is capital R. Clear? Now first of all let us try to understand what is EMF. Clear? So let's suppose we have battery, and if we connect a voltmeter across the ends of a battery, and we can say this battery is not connected in a circuit, at that time potential difference between these two plates we find that is known as EMF. Clear? So now in this question our objective is to calculate value of maximum current that can be drawn from battery. Clear? So let's suppose this is a closed circuit, and I am saying to you, let's suppose current that is drawing in this circuit is I. Clear to everyone? Yes. So can we apply here Kirchhoff's voltage law? Yes or no? Now you can see in a closed loop we can say the total summation of potential difference we always find equal to 0. So we can start from any point. Let's suppose I am taking here in anti-clockwise direction. Clear? And let's suppose I am starting from this point. Clear? Now you can say from this point to this point we are going in a direction of electric current. It means we are going from higher potential to lower potential. It means here we are getting potential drop. Clear? So I can write like this, this is equal to minus IR. This is very important. Why I am writing here minus IR? Because I am going in the direction of current. In the direction of current means I am going from higher potential to lower potential. It means here we are having a potential drop, and potential drop value is given to you minus IR. Clear to you? Now if we talk about this internal resistance, again I am going in the direction of current. It means again I can say here we have potential drop, and this is given by IR. Clear? And now you can say we are going from negative plate to positive plate of this battery. It means we can say here we have a potential gain. Clear? And the potential gain is given by this is plus 12 and this is equal to 0. Clear? So from here we can say if we take it outside, we can say we can take I common, R plus R, this is equal to 12. Clear? So now I can write like this, capital I. Capital I is given by 12 divided by R plus R. Now what is our objective in this question? Our objective in this question is to calculate maximum current. Clear to everyone? Maximum current. So maximum current means we can say if we want to find maximum current, it means definitely this R plus R, it should be minimum. Clear? Now internal resistance is actually related to battery, so this cannot be 0. Clear? But let's suppose if I say to you, let's suppose we are assuming this external resistance R equal to 0. So what does it mean? It means it is a very simple meaning that we are replacing this resistor with a single wire. Yes or no? Or you can say actually we are directly connecting this end to this end. Clear? So now we can say, let's suppose if we assume this capital R is to be 0, at that time we can say this value we will find minimum. Clear? And we can say that current that will flow in this circuit, it will be maximum. Yes or no? So we can say capital I, this is given by 12 divided by small r. Clear? And the value of small r is given to you 0.4 ohm. Clear? So we can say this is equal to 12 divided by 0.4. Clear? So if you solve it, you can easily get here answer. This is 10, we can say 3. So value of current I, this is given by 30 ampere. Clear to everyone? So value of I, this is given by 30 ampere. Clear to everyone? So maximum current that can be drawn in this circuit, so it can be drawn from a battery, and maximum current that can flow in this circuit, this is equal to 30 ampere. So this is the answer of this question. Clear to everyone?